So over here, if I were to go around onto this particular tab, then this particular website opens up. If I were to go around and right click over here, then you can see the move tab to option over here. I can send it to another profile that I may have or move it to a new window, as you can see right here. If I were to move to new window, then it simply moves to new window, as you can see. I can move the tab over here onto Google and other tab over here as well. What I can also do is move the tab to person 2 right here. That means the tab will be moved on to my second profile over here. And you can see that it is separate. You can go around and move the tab to again back to your previous account right here, just like this, and then the tab goes back to previous account right here. And that is how you can go around and utilize the move tab to option to move around your tab onto new window or another profile that you may have inside of Microsoft Edge. What you can also do is you can right click over here and duplicate out a particular tab to open the same window as well. I can go around onto, let's say for example, the Wikipedia tab and right click, and then I can duplicate the tab, and you can see that now I got two pages with the same tab where I can go around and navigate around to another page as I like inside of the other tab, and the original tab stays as it is. And that is how you can go around and utilize the duplicate and move tab to option inside of Microsoft Edge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.